Hello and welcome to English AVA Technology. A space where you can listen, repeat, shadow, and grow your English step by step. I'm Luna, and I'm happy you're here today. In this episode, I'll speak slowly and clearly. I'll use simple words and short ideas so you can copy my voice, practice your pronunciation, and build your confidence. Today, we will talk about how to describe your daily routine in English. Not only in short phrases, but in full, natural sentences. Think about these questions. What do you usually do in the morning? What happens in your afternoon? How do you spend your evening before bed? By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to talk about your day in English in a smooth and confident way. Why practice talking about your day? Because your day is real. It belongs to you. You already know what happens, so you don't need to search for difficult ideas. You don't have to explain history or science. You only need to describe your life. You can say what time you wake up, what you eat in the morning, whether you work, study, or stay at home, how you feel, tired, busy, happy, or relaxed. And the best part: when you describe your own day, you're practicing real English. English that you can use with friends, teachers, or coworkers. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to try. When you speak about your daily life, you start to think directly in English. You stop translating in your head. You use complete, simple sentences. And step by step, you feel more confident. Let's take an example. Imagine you meet someone new. They asked, "What did you do today?" If you have practiced, you can answer easily. I woke up at 7. I went to work. I had coffee and answered emails. In the evening, I cooked dinner and watched TV. That's a real conversation. That's communication. That's your goal. Morning routine. Morning is an important time. It gives you energy and sets the tone for your whole day. It's also the perfect time to practice English, even for just a few minutes. Repeat after me. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I get up earlier, around 6:30, if I have a busy day. If I go to bed late, I feel tired the next morning. I like to stretch my arms and legs before I leave the bed. Then I walk to the bathroom and brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cool water. It helps me feel fresh. Sometimes I take a quick shower to wake up more. After that, I put on clean, comfortable clothes. Next, I go to the kitchen and prepare breakfast. I often eat bread, eggs, or fruit. Sometimes I eat cereal or oatmeal. I drink coffee most mornings, but sometimes I drink tea. Before leaving the house, I check my phone and pack my bag. A short morning story, foreshadowing. In the morning, I usually get up around 7. I stretch, yawn, and then go brush my teeth. I wash my face with cold water. If I still feel sleepy, I take a shower. Then I put on my clothes and make breakfast. I eat toast and eggs, and I drink coffee. While eating, I look out the window and enjoy the quiet. Before leaving, I check my schedule and make sure my bag is ready. Then I put on my shoes and step outside to start the day. Afternoon routine. Afternoons are busy for many people. Some go to school, some work, and some stay at home. But no matter what, you can still use English for a few minutes. Repeat after me. After lunch, I go back to work. Sometimes I feel sleepy after eating. I check my emails and answer messages. I usually have meetings or classes in the afternoon. If I work from home, I use my laptop at my desk. I like to keep my desk clean so I can think clearly. Around 3 o'clock, I take a short break. I drink water or tea, and maybe eat a small snack. If I have time, I go for a short walk outside. When I have free time, I listen to English audio or read something simple. Shadowing English helps me speak more smoothly. Before I finish work, I write down what I did today. A short afternoon story. After lunch, I return to my desk. I check emails and write a short to-do list. Sometimes I join a quick meeting with my team. After the meeting, I take a short break. I drink tea and stand near the window. If the weather is nice, I walk outside for a few minutes. When I have free time, I listen to a podcast in English or read a short article. Before I end my work, I write one new sentence in English about my day. Evening routine. Evening is the time to relax and review the day. Repeat after me. I usually come home around 6 in the evening. I take off my shoes and rest for a few minutes. Sometimes I watch the news or listen to music. I cook dinner or order food if I am tired. I eat dinner with my family, and we talk about our day. After dinner, I clean the dishes. Sometimes I go for a short walk outside. Before bed, I read or listen to calming music. I brush my teeth and go to bed around 10:30 or 11. Final thoughts. Now it's your turn. Think about your day. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? What do you usually do in the afternoon? How do you relax in the evening? Speak about a typical day, in simple sentences. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about practicing, step by step, one sentence at a time. You listened, you repeated, you shadowed, and you practiced real English today. That's progress. This is English Flow. I'm Luna, and I'm proud of you. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself.